Alright, just an update to this video on bypassing the factory regulator in the stove. So when I did this whole project, I did not get a chance to use it out on the road. If you saw a couple videos ago, we never made it on the road. We ended up having a heart attack. So I didn't get to try this out. Not the way I wanted to. I mean, I lit it pretty quick, but so there is a leak. The old regulator, if it's not capped off, will leak a little bit of propane, which is a little bit too much. So I did find a fix for it. I'll put the link in the description. It's a pretty easy fix. So what we have is this device right here. This, so you pull the plastic cap off. Alright, so this is the 1 pound adapter. So it's got the 3/8 flared end on one end, and the other piece that goes into the factory regulator. About $9 on Amazon, and of course it's shipped with a plastic case or cover. So we're going to try it with just that cover on. If not, we just go to a hardware store and get a cap for this. 3/8 cap and just cap it off. So we're going to put this in place. We're going to light up the grill before and after, so I can show you the leak, and then we'll put this on there and we'll see if there's a leak. Let's check it out, see how it works. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is light up this grill. I got the gas turned on. Got all the burners on high. I'm just waiting for my sniffer to clear itself. Man, these things are slow. That's the sniffer I'm using. Alright, sniffer's clear, so we put this thing up here. There's your gas. There's your gas leak, so I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to put this unit in here. Just like that. This is the plastic cap that it's shipped with. Put that on there. Relight the stove once you turn the gas on. Alright, all the burners are on high. I'll put the sniffer up here again. We got nothing. Take this cap off. Nope. There it is.
It's fixed?
No leak. That's the fix.
You can put the cap on.
Don't need a cap.
Oh.
It's not leaking.
Maybe just put it on just in case.
Yeah, I'll put it on just for hee-haws, but if I take this off, or even start to break it loose, it should, there it is. So we put this on, tighten it up, let the sniffer clear itself. Okay, plastic cap's on, no leak. Pull the plastic cap off. That's it.
Perfect.
And we got flame.
Awesome.
Alright, there's the fix. I'll put a link in the description for this part here. This one is like $9.99 or something. You can probably get it cheaper. If you shop around Amazon, you can probably get it for like $8. And that is it. So we're sorry for the inconvenience. It took a while to get this thing on the road and get it used, but we did solve the problem, and that's all it takes. Quick and simple. All right, thanks again, guys.